Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Tracker Off-Road 570 4x4 quad ATV. Automatic transmission, fuel injection, liquid cooled, 570 cc's of power. This thing is really in fantastic condition. It's got a multi-function readout LCD, only 13.4 hours on this gorgeous Tracker Off-Road 570. Come by, check it out. This thing is priced to sell for just $49.99. This thing will not be here long. Check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.